2025. Let's go, motherfucker. Today we're gonna talk about what we have planned for 2025, and you're gonna be surprised because that's actually not much. This year is gonna be about simplifying and getting rid of things and doing things that I haven't done before to get to the new results. Very simple. First of all, we're gonna get the interviews back. The big thing for this year was trying out interview format and trying out YouTube Shorts. Both of them worked great. Now we're gonna come back the interviews because I really like doing them. 5 questions to a Web3 BD. Second thing is I wanna get to 1K subs, and I want to know each one of you who's watching this right now. I want to get to 1000 subs, and I will get there no matter what. Like if I need to go and like farm, 100 bots that will do subscriptions for me, I will do that. But I want real people. I want real folks that are interested in the topics that we're sharing and in the communities that we're creating together. So if you're watching this channel, if you like me, if you like the content that you're seeing, the best way to pay for this content is going to be going and sending the video, any of your favorite videos, to your friends, colleague, wife, family, it doesn't matter who. I want subs. Please help me with subs. So this year, we grew 3.5x. Right now, we need to grow less than 2 times to get me to 1000. If I get to 1000, then we will go to 10,000. But let's break down goal by goal, step by step. Let's do 10,000. Let's do 1000 this year. And then the next one is going to be marketing flywheel. So I'll do ads. I'll do organic ads. I will see how we can generate more demand through that one. And what else? Basically, I wanted to tell you that I love all of you guys. Everybody who's watching this channel, everybody who's helping me, everybody who's sharing their thoughts, opinions, commenting. And it's a great time to be in Web3 right now. It's a great time to learn about Web3 BD because you can make a lot of money. I do not believe that you're here for making the world better. I believe that you're here for making money. So in case you're here for making money, then it's the right channel for you because the stuff that I told you, the best thing in sales is you eat what you kill, and I teach you to kill more. That's basically it, in a good way, of course. Get more prospects. And when we talk about that, it's you go there and instead of shoveling the value of your needless product or service in someone else's throat, is going and thinking about creative ways to make your offer better, to find more people to whom your offer is going to be better, and do the negotiation that you negotiate on the better terms. That's basically what this channel is about. So go there, grow there, make money. 2025 is going to be the big year. 5 is a lucky number. See you.